we talk about the yield strength. What is the yield strength? It is just the strength. What is the strength? The strength, the amount of the stress at which the material begins to exhibit the plastic deformation. So till the plastic deformation, whatever the strength the material show is known as your yield strength. After that, that is a different strength, but till the yield point, because yield point is the point. I mean, you can have a little bit idea that, I mean, at that point, if you remove the load, the material will regain their shape. I mean, there is no such effect of the loading. Okay, this is the basic mean. So till the yielding point, whatever the strength that material show is known as your yielding strength. So in the most of the cases, you have the same sense. Same sense means this is the graph. So this is the graph. So till here, and how you can calculate the strength? Just draw the line. Okay, and the area under this curve is known as your strength. So this is your strength. So I mean, if that line is not very similar, okay, if that line now is not very uh, not straight, as I said, if it is not, suppose the line is like, wait, so in that case, if that is not clear, okay, that I mean, strength is same, then you could have this strain, basically line. So you could go 0.2% strain and then draw the line which will cut. That point is known as your yielding point, or you can draw the yielding strength. As you can see here, for the determination of the method, we have the two method, which is the offset method. Most common method is 0.2%. Okay, so how you can draw the 2%, I already made you know. For the most material, if no clear endpoint is given, I mean, sometimes you have given the clear endpoint. If the diagram that I have shown here, both have the same, clear endpoint, is the endpoint. If that has not shown, then what you can do, what you can do, you simply go from 0 to 0.2%, and then find the point and then draw the line similar, parallel to that particular point, and then you where you cut the that graph, that cutting point is known as your yielding point. Okay, and what other is elastic limit. I've already made, most of the time elastic limit, when where the elastic limit ends, that is equal to your yielding point.